Today we will get to know the SOFI cot. It comes to you in a convenient travel bag. Unzip the bag and remove the cot. Place the cot upside down. Hold its legs and lift them one by one. Put the cot on its legs and it's ready. Ready to use in a few seconds. Make sure that the legs have been unfolded properly. The baby cot is ready to use. At the bottom, you'll find a large storage compartment for necessary things. The cot has a rocking function. Unfold the rockers on both sides on the outside and it is ready. The mattress can be placed at the bottom of the bed. Unclip the buckle, undo the zip and place the mattress on the bottom. It's ready. In this version, the cot also serves as a playpen with a convenient entrance. The pads under the bottom separate the mattress from the floor. For greater mattress stability, use Velcro fasteners underneath. To fold the cot, turn it upside down. Pull the leg marked with one up and place it flat. Do the same with the other leg. Put the folded cot in the bag. And you can take it with you wherever you go.